It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you would do.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I have my favorite nail model back, okay? And she had a little acrylic left on her nails, so I went ahead and removed that. And now I'm going in and pushing back the cuticle, going to remove the dead skin, doing all of my prep. If you all want me to make an updated prep video on someone else, definitely let me know that in the comments. The last one that I did was on myself. So if you want me to, slow it down and go step by step, talk you through everything that I do for prep for maximum adhesion, let me know that in the comments. So I removed the shine with the sanding band, and now I'm going around the cuticle area with the cuticle bit. I go forward and then I go reversed. Now I am going to apply the tips, and she sent me a picture of this design that had like a lot of different browns that were kind of ombre all in together some kind of way. It was really pretty, and they were long coffin nails, which is why I use these tips. But of course she said she wanted them cut short, so I was like, so I cut them short and I tried my best to recreate the design. It wasn't spot on like the picture, but she really liked it, so that's all that matters. I did let her pick out the colors that she wanted, so that was something that was different as well. She got to pick 4 of the browns that she wanted to kind of blend together. I'm using my Afro Glam Nails monomer. I do have the website and the coupon code for Afro Glam Nails in the description bar. So since the design was like the kind of marble colors and everything, I decided to do it with gel polish. So for the base, I just went in with some clear acrylic. And I believe this clear acrylic is by Afro Glam Nails as well. So when I do my acrylic, sometimes I start in the middle, sometimes I start at the tip, sometimes I start at the cuticle area. It honestly depends on how I'm feeling in that moment. So now that I am finishing up, it will be time to go in with my files to file everything in shape, and then we can jump into the design. So after the product set up, I did go back in with another layer to kind of build up anything that I felt like I needed to. This file is also from Afro Glam Nails. This is just an Afro Glam Nails day. And this is the 8080 file. So after using the hand file, I go in with the drill bit to get around that cuticle area, and then I'm going to go in with the buffer. And I think I got these buffers from Double Dip, I believe. Now I'm putting on my Melody Susie glove. Definitely check out my Double Dip and my Melody Susie links in the description bar. And these are the 4 browns that she picked out. I think 2 are from Beetles and maybe 2 are from MEFA, I believe. Every time I get gel polishes, I make a video on them and I swatch them. So if you are wondering about any polishes that you see me using, I have definitely made a video about them. And for the ones that I did not make a video on, I went over those in my live swatch and chills. So as of now, I think I have shown you all everything that I currently have. So what I'm doing is just applying them kind of in like maybe a 3-layer ombre, and some with like a little piece of it in a different color. This is kind of how the design was. And I'm going in with this ombre brush, trying to blend out the lines. So on this one, I started in the light area and just kept going back and forth, going down the nail into that darker color, and I feel like that method kind of gave me a nice blend. The issue was when I had like the lighter color in the middle. So this technique is definitely something that I'm going to try to perfect. Before I put her in the lamp, I did go in and clean up around her skin. And I did this for 2 coats. After I cured the second coat, now I'm going in with the top coat. So let me know in the comments how you all feel about this kind of fall ombre look. Definitely let me know if you would rock it. Let me know if you would try this but with maybe some different colors. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and the rest will get in line. And guess what time it is? It's the wrap. I will see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itzsirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.